Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Monday, September 18th. We are going to be looking at some light rain chances being introduced into this evening, with rain chances increasing as we go into tomorrow, as long as some breezy winds as Hurricane Jose passes well east of the Delmarva Peninsula. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, you can see we have Hurricane Jose well east of the area, and we do anticipate that to remain well east of the area, but we will be seeing some chances for light rain showers, mainly starting this evening and throughout tomorrow. We're also going to be seeing some brief gusty winds, possibly to tropical storm strength, looking around 35 to 40 miles per hour, mainly as we go into the midday time frame tomorrow with this system. Any of those gusts should be pretty brief and confined mainly to the immediate coast. Taking a look at our satellite here, you can see that large cloud structure from Hurricane Jose, and some of those clouds are starting to move over the area, mainly in the form of cirrus clouds, and we are also getting an abundance of low-level clouds due to onshore flow associated with that system. And it does look like Jose is getting some dry air entrained into it, and it's starting to lose some tropical characteristics, and that'll allow it to continue to weaken as we go throughout this week as it stays well east of the area. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop from this morning, did see some very light spotty showers move through the area this morning, and there is going to be a chance as we go through the rest of the morning hours, a very slight chance, only around 10%, of a very isolated light shower popping up, but we won't be getting into more scattered rain showers chances until we go into late this afternoon and into tonight. But we will be continuing to see some abundant low-level clouds as we go throughout the day and into tonight and tomorrow as well. Taking a look at a model here for our short-term radar, we are going to be seeing mainly rain-free skies as we go through the morning hours. And as you can see in this model depiction here, we are going to be seeing some rain chances increasing as we go into the afternoon and evening hours, as those radar returns start to come in from the east associated with Hurricane Jose, which, just to reiterate, will remain far to the east of the area, giving us only very minimal impacts. So taking a look at our current conditions here, we are just seeing a broken deck at 800 feet and an overcast deck at 1,500 feet, and that is going to be the case for much of the day today. We are seeing winds fairly light as far as the rest of the day is going to be concerned, only seeing winds around 9 knots from azimuth 030 with a temperature of 72 degrees and humidity is at 90%. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, we're going to be in the green for much of the workday today, possibly seeing a brief peak of sun through the rest of the morning hours here, and then we will see clouds start to increase as we go into the afternoon. Can't rule out a very slight chance of a quick isolated shower as we go throughout the workday today, but for the most part we are going to be looking at a cloudy but dry day. Winds are going to be northeasterly around 8 to 13 knots throughout much of the day today. We could start to see those winds gust to around the 20 knot mark as we go into the late afternoon hours, and then after 4 p.m. we're going to start to see those rain chances slowly increase through the evening and overnight hours, only looking at isolated to scattered light showers, so not looking at any sort of a washout tonight and into tomorrow, as well as rain should be pretty spotty and light with any shower activity. Winds are going to be slowly increasing through the overnight hours, becoming 9 to 14 knots, gusting to 20 to 25 knots throughout most of the night. Winds will continue to increase as we go into tomorrow morning, with sustained at 15 to 20 knots, and we could be seeing gusts possibly to 30 to 35 miles per hour at times as we go into Tuesday morning. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, we're going to be seeing those broken clouds around the 1,000 to 1,500 foot level through much of the morning here. Could be seeing a slight chance of a light spotty shower. Like I said, they're only looking around a 10% chance of that happening. As we go into the afternoon hours, we're going to start to see those lower level clouds become more abundant, with a pretty solid deck near 1,000 feet and at 2,000 to 2,500 feet through the afternoon, with some scattered light rain chances being introduced mainly after 4 p.m. As we go into tonight, we're going to see those ceilings remain pretty low, possibly lowering down to the 500 foot level or possibly even below that, with light scattered shower chances throughout the night. And we are seeing tides at 1 to 1.5 foot above normal, and we do expect those to increase as we go into the next day or two. Taking a look at our next couple of days here, we are going to be seeing cloudy skies with scattered rain showers and some gusty winds tomorrow with a high of 74 degrees. As far as those winds, we could see wind gusts up to around 40 miles per hour, mainly along the coastal sections of the Delmarva, and any gusts that are that high should be pretty brief as this system remains well east of the area and continues to weaken through tomorrow. And due to that onshore flow and scattered rain showers, that is going to keep our high pretty low at around 74. At Tuesday night, we're going to be seeing those winds start to diminish as well as showers ending. We should see those winds diminish pretty quickly before midnight, and we're going to be seeing a low of 67. Then for Wednesday, we're going to get back to a nice day with above average temperatures. We're going to be seeing a high in the low to mid 80s, around 82 degrees, and we will be seeing clouds or skies become partly cloudy. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We will be back at 10 a.m. and talking more about our hurricane situation off to the east and any potential tropical threats. Have a great day.